Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. What are you going to do when you have flooring that's stuck under a wall? Let's find out today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
This video is from one of our projects we currently have going on. This is a nightclub where we're going to be installing some really impressive commercial vinyl. Be sure to keep an eye out for the video. But today we're going to have an outtake here where we show you how to remove flooring that is under a wall, or could be used for flooring that is under kitchen cabinets as well. This wall here was installed on top of the existing flooring, and we're going to have to cut the flooring out around it. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to cut wood flush to cabinets or a wall, anywhere that the wood is going under. This is a flush cut saw, also known as a toe kick saw. It has an arm that extends out about 4 inches and gets into tight spaces, especially under cabinets or along walls. It allows you to cut flush to the object and not have to worry about trying to pull the wood out from under it, especially if you're doing kitchen cabinets. You don't want to pull the wood out from under it, because then your cabinets could drop down and mess the height of your countertops up. Now let's show you how we do it.
Well, if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install flooring from stairs to laminate and more. Plus, I do my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for tuning in.